Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Motorola Edge 30 Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bars. Following that, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to set it up, you need to choose the same options on both devices. First of all, I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by selecting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia and receive next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, choose the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Nokia smartphone. On it, select all of those categories at the top and tap on those type of dots to choose all of your files from chosen category. When you finished, click on Send next to selected. You can also just click on the chosen files. In my case, this one photo. Now click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola device. Then allow camera access by tapping on while using or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, click on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers from Nokia smartphone and then use Receive button in order to connect. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!